Morning traders, Gates W. Adams here with GACTradingPro.com. I hope you guys had a wonderful hold on here, wonderful Tuesday. We are back for Wednesday, and we are talking about trading today. Pardon my screen, I'm kind of getting everything all set up after my call. Anyway, it is, for crying out loud, man. It is Wednesday, March 1st, new month, 2023. And we're talking about trading. Trading involves risk. Please make sure you know what you're doing before you do it. All right, let's see here. Let's get some things where they belong. And see if I can get my feed up live. I was on my call and my charts were up, and it was everything I could do not to take a trade. So, you know, what the hell, let's take a look at it, see where it would have been. I'll show you exactly where it was, and then we will jump into some trading. I'm talking about trading today. Pardon my screen. There we go. Jump into some trading. There we go. Okay, so let's move this baby, and let's, oh, for crying out loud. There we go. There's simplicity. Okay, so right here, where this baby dipped and we were in a long position, I really wanted to take that low risk entry. It shot up to here, which probably wouldn't have been my exit. So, well, you know, maybe so. Look, yeah, it would have been. It would have more than exceeded my exit, and I would have been already done. The entry was basically right here. So it was the low risk entry coupled with this Lorex. I mean, everything showed up at once, and I so wanted to take this. And I'd have probably driven it right up to this point because that would have been the next obvious target after my standard kind of 40 tick whatever. So, but a while back, I made a commitment to you that I wasn't going to trade off screen. And if I did, you know, that would be violating my word. I'm not going to do that. So what are you going to do?
Order canceled.
Life happens. So here I am, live and following through as I'm getting spam calls. All right, so let's find those opportunities that arrive now. Man, I would have already been out. Regret is a bad way to manage trades, so not gonna do it. Sometimes easier said than done, but I think I'm in a good place right now, mentally speaking, in terms of that. All right. Well, let's see what we got here. Nice little pivot points right here, clearly moving in a southern direction. Now we've got a couple of, yeah, I don't know that's a little much. So we're not going to take that, but let's see what. Process holds. You know what? I am in the wrong profile, which means that I can't see any comments should they decide to come in, unless. There we go. Let me mute that. Unless you pay stars. And I don't understand the star thing, man. It just looks like Facebook trying to collect revenue for stupid stuff. But my opinion, for whatever it's worth, probably about as much worth as most other people's opinions, in my humble opinion. And having one of those mornings, I suppose. All right. All right. Now we have a very weak excuse for a downtrend. I don't think that's anything I want a part of. So let's look at some scalps here. to get the day started. All right, let's get out of some chop before we start looking for some scalps. Oof. I don't know, the schedule has kind of been working out for me lately, but maybe I just need to close my charts whilst I'm on a call. That seems to make more sense than anything else. Alright. Well, now we're clearly calling it a short move. Not a very powerful one at this point, but let's see what, again, where the pressure is, where the movement is. Yeah, I could see getting into this one if it bounces long. Pretty easy.
Order
Easy
order
scalp.
filled.
Right? You know, for crying out loud. Don't tell me you want to start off going against me, do you? I still believe. It's getting tougher.
Stop fill.
Yeah, for crying out loud. Wrong way to start the day. Alright. Clear that screenshot out. I don't know. I mean, they seem to have all the goods. But I think it's safe to say that the market is wanting a downward shift. So, let's spread this out and get a clearer picture.
Order submitted.
Well, now I'm just chasing it. Close.
Order canceled.
Well, I think I hit it. Yeah, but that would have put me out there.
Order filled. Target filled.
Alright. Offset number 1. Bouncing again.
Order filled. Target filled.
Offset number 2. Right there, same spot. Alright. Well, let's see here.
Order filled.
I think we have that downward push.
Stop fill.
Yeah. Alright, well. I really am just all over the place this morning, aren't I? Alright. I still think we've got a downward move, so.
Order canceled.
Well, maybe not. I mean, I don't think that's necessarily a maybe not, but. Okay. So, setup bar. And Oof. Oh. Not very clean on my charts here. Okay.
Order filled. Target filled.
Okay. I need it a little lower if I'm going to take it. Yeah. So, officially, upward trend. So you get the right retrace, and we got an opportunity here. Looks like pretty friggin' clear skies above.
Order filled.
Really one tick away.
Target filled.
Alright. Just barely survived that one. And now we're getting those retraces. I mean, this is just a lot of grinding here. What I really need is just a good solid retrace and move. There's no entry there. I mean, I could have taken that simplicity, but I'm still in evaluation. I'm not taking a standard simplicity. It just doesn't make sense at all.
Order filled. Target filled.
Okay. Still a bit in the red. Seriously.
Order filled.
And then behind the wall.
Stop filled.
Let's see here.
Order submitted.
Just to that line if it comes down.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Let me see if we can let this one go for a minute.
Target filled.
All right. Well, that one. Whoops. Ah. I don't know about that retrace, but
Order canceled.
okay. All right. Oof. There's an awful lot of resistance up there. No, I mean, that's floating out in the middle of nowhere. Let's get it on something that's a little more meaningful. Yeah, if you give me the signal, give me the entry, I'd be willing to at least take it up to there, which would probably end me for the day. Exhaustion. Okay. So we want to turn this into a downward move, seemingly. Nah, you're in the middle of nowhere. Again. Yeah. I don't want to get... I mean, I think it'll win, but, yeah. Showing exhaustion on that, because, you know, why would we? All right, well. I will say, not exactly used to factoring in commissions into the overall profitability. But
Order canceled.
okay. All right, so I guess that officially puts us in a downward move, which means give me a bounce off of this that I can take. Over there.
Order filled. Target
Dang
filled.
it. I was going to try to move it down. All right. That's okay. I will take it as is. And I mean, that's where I wanted to take it to. Anyway, whatever. Oh boy. I mean, we broke it. We have a deviation in the way. I don't like it. We'll come back up and push back down again. I will see about yanking that down a little faster if it happens again. There's really not a better way to do this, is there? That's good for another scalp.
Order canceled.
Oh. Yeah, I don't know about that. Retrace entry. Yeah, dude.
Order filled. Target filled.
There it is. All right. So, final trade of the day. A little bit extra to cover commissions today. All right. Am I putting other screenshots in my screenshots? That doesn't seem right. Okay. Okay. Well, That was an interesting as hell day. All right. So 1050, right? Oh, that doesn't. Okay. You know what? Okay. All right. A hell of a grind. It took some doing. So let's take a look before I go at what this looked like. I don't even know. Oh my God! How many trades did I take today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 trades. I think that's my biggest number of trades in a day since I started doing this. So long, stopped out, loss. Long, target hit. So 1 down, 2 up, second 1 down, then 1, 2, 3 up, fourth 1, third 1 down, 1, 2, 3 up, one of which ended up being just a really nice little run at the very end there. So at the end of the day, sitting at up 275 after commissions are factored out. I'm at 50,499.58, halfway to my target point where I will double my positions. And there you go. I hope you guys have a nice rest of your trading day. Let's see if we can paint it all up green. And if you're in the backstage, come on back and I will go through my recap of my 9 friggin' trades today. And that it took me to get to net either 2 down or 3 up. Otherwise, I will see you. I'll see you live tomorrow. Have a wonderful rest of your afternoon. Love you guys. Appreciate y'all. God bless. And I'll see you soon.